I don't know why I have to keep coming to these. It's pretty straightforward. Suspect was cornered. I told him to comply. He reached behind his back towards his waistband. I fired 3 rounds into his chest, and his weapon fell to the ground, following his body. I mean, what else is there more to say? My father must have fired off his service weapon a dozen times during his decades on the force, but you never saw him whining about it or talking about how he feels. No. He would just come home, a little quieter than usual. Mornings after, he would be there watching me sleep, watching me before he had to go to his shift. I was just there, you know. Maybe he thought I was snoozing, or maybe he thought I was awake, but didn't say anything. I didn't say anything either. We'd just be there, together, taking in the quiet of the morning. Sometimes the quiet would be broken up by the little flicks of his flint, one to burn the loose threads on his uniform, and the other for his cigarettes. When he'd leave and he'd go out the door, his specter would be in the smoke. Damn. After the first time, we kind of figured it out. That's how we all knew, just to stay clear of him. He was tough, real tough. Even towards the end, he never even complained. Not once. Machines did all the talking. Beep, beep, beep. Right in between the sounds of his labored breathing until one day the beeps got slower and his breathing stopped. And then it was just me, right there watching him sleep. Yeah. 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 I don't know why I have to keep coming to these.